Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth and financial security, but it can be daunting for beginners who may not have a lot of money to put down on a property. However, with a little creativity and some smart strategies, it is possible to get started in real estate investing with no money down. The first thing to understand is that there are many different ways to invest in real estate, and not all of them require a large down payment. For example, one popular strategy is to buy a property with the intention of fixing it up and reselling it for a profit. This is known as flipping, and it can be done with very little money down if you are able to secure financing through a hard money lender or a private investor. Another strategy is to purchase a property and rent it out. This is known as being a landlord, and it can provide a steady stream of passive income. While you will typically need a larger down payment for this strategy, it is still possible to get started with no money down by using a lease option or a rent-to-own agreement. In both flipping and being a landlord, it's important to have a good understanding of the real estate market and the potential for growth in the area where you are investing. In order to do this, you need to research and analyze the different neighborhoods, school districts, and other factors that can impact the value of the property. By doing this, you can make more informed decisions about which properties to invest in and how much to offer for them. Another strategy to consider is wholesaling. Wholesaling is the process of finding a discounted property and then finding a buyer to purchase it at a higher price. The wholesaler makes a profit by charging a fee for finding the deal. This is a low-risk strategy that can be done with no money down, as the wholesaler does not need to purchase the property themselves. One important thing to keep in mind when investing in real estate is that it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work to be successful. Additionally, it's important to have a solid financial plan and to be prepared for the unexpected. It's also important to have a good network of professionals in the industry such as real estate agents, attorneys, accountants, and other experts. They can help you navigate the process and provide valuable advice and support. In conclusion, starting a career in real estate investing with no money down is definitely possible, but it requires a lot of research and planning. It's important to have a clear understanding of the different strategies available, and to choose the one that best suits your goals and risk tolerance. With a little creativity, hard work, and a solid plan, you can be on your way to building wealth through real estate investing. Please keep in mind that, as always, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Also, the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as investment advice.